Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you in regards to the Google Drive. Now if you delete something from Google Drive from your desktop folder, it will go into your recycle bin as such. Now you can go empty, and believe me, I want to empty all this stuff. So that's all gone from your recycle bin, but it still does hide in your Google Drive recycle bin. So if you open up your Google Drive, and you can see your Google Drive here, if you go to bin, you can see the items are still there. So it's still kind of part of your storage. So what I would do, as the recycle bin on your Windows, you would click empty bin, and this is telling you that it's going to delete it forever, and you click delete forever, and then that's all gone. Now there is a way to recover your deleted items in Google Admin, but that I want to show you guys in another video for another day. So if you want to see that video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you will see that video and other videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.